Hello learner, my name is Rahul Mishra and today's topic is property. So JMeter having a two type of property, system property and other is local JMeter property. So we how to send them I will show you. So for this demo purpose I created JSR post process script where I am reading JMeter property and post property system property. So jmeter property name user so that you can judge it, save it, how to send it and how to use it. So this is my small script, ignore this part. Our focus is when we use -j, it's known as a local jmeter property. So you can send the numbers of users and number of threshold, other things. So for your test script, and other variable is -d. You can see here you can set the system property. Just if you want to use just like example, you are using a WebDriver, so you can pass a WebDriver path here -d WebDriver Chrome driver and the path of variable in your system. So this is a way you can send it. And in script how to read those things, uh, okay, I in user defined variable I use dollar bracket curly bracket underscore p, the variable name which is coming from the script named as user, and the default value. So if you want to use this value or you cannot, if somebody is running it from the uh, somebody is running from the directly from here, so default value will be 20. If somebody is running from uh, command line or you are using Jenkins and as the source for running sh, then it will be used by default here, so it will override by the terminal. So let me execute and show you. So we are executing it from the terminal and test cases are started. And this is script, and let me go to JMeter log and open with some light text. Okay, because here I zoomed it so that you can see it. So you can see its user variable came as 88, even though we pass its default as 22, it is overridden by there. And the -d value user JMeter property, and where what is the variable name, system property. Okay, this is a system property name as mydir, or value is test. So you can check it in here in my command. My directory is test and user is 88. So this is a way. So there is other users also there. You can some people are recommending you can directly use the threshold and other values here, just like you can copy it from here and paste it here. And users count you can be used here, you can send directly from your script. And your ramp up, you can create n numbers of variable, and you can either you can set the default value here. If you are using it on user defined value, let me clear one thing. If you are using it from user defined value, then you have to use like dollar, where is dollar user, you have to read this variable name. And if you are directly using, then you can read it like this way, and from terminal you have to pass the ramp up variable. That's it for today.